kidding me? Neither one of these engines can push that damn thing? Jesus Christ. Now I felt used. I wonder if it would be better if I just took the damn weight out. This is gonna be a freaking whacked out video when I get it done. Come on. I hate these cars. They always... engine didn't rance, I converted that to a dummy and freaking cut the nose off and slapped the freaking... Holy shit! Whole goddamn freaking stack train derailed on me here. So I stuck the camera in the front end. Yeah. Trying to shoot some, doing some kit. What was that? So be watching YouTube, so if you see some weird videos that I posted, it was with the GoPro cam there. Converted the Coca-Cola SD40 into a camera car. What happened down on King Street? Yeah. Well, sucks to be him, I gotta say. So, well, if he's bleeding in my area, I certainly ain't getting involved. I want you to do me a favor. If you've seen any storm watches, listen to me. If you see any storm watches or warnings posted for this area, would you give me a heads up? Okay. Well, when I called you earlier, I've been looking around for that damn car that hit the fucking ass end of my truck. He hit me doing 40 for crying out loud. Yeah. Hold on a couple seconds here, would you mind? Okay, hold on. Rocky? Now, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you. I don't want to talk while I'm stopped for walking and stuff.
Oh, yeah, because you got Matt with you. That's why. I said you probably got Matt with you, and he don't even want to hear me. And personally, I don't give a rat's ass
No,
about
I
him.
don't. I just don't want to be up. I don't want to be up. I'd be going to straight walking.
Okay. Well, just give me a couple seconds here, and I'll be done with you. No, but I just wanted to give you a heads up to be on the lookout for the cab ride video that I'm shooting, because I got the camera hanging right off the front of the SD40. The Coca-Cola one, the motor completely crapped out on it. So, I figured I'd give you a heads up that I'm using a GoPro camera for filming the layout, if you want to know. I did a rear facing shot with the car there that's used for the wrecking crane. I don't know what they call that car there. The support car.
Yeah.
If I got it right. No, it's the boom car. You know that they have the boom hangs over on.
Yeah.
So basically, I told you I'd call you back and let you know what the news was. I will let you go because you said you're going to Big Y, so I'll talk to you tomorrow sometime. Yeah. Rocky, I would have done, listen to me, I would have done the same damn thing, don't worry about it. Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. 1973 Caboose here with a new update to an old story. We came across the train since Saturday, picked them up at a yard sale. I picked up this Coca-Cola SD40. The motor crapped out, so I modified it to hold a GoPro Hero Sessions camera. This is our new piece of equipment. We just got that yesterday. And we modified an old IHC SD40 that says Coca-Cola and Coke Enjoy. I get to be a big fan of Coca-Cola and Pepsi, and at least it's a fitting tribute to the Coke company. The engine was originally powered, the motor crapped out, so we stripped the gears and everything out of it, took the motor out, all the electrical components, cut the nose off originally when it was powered, so we could be able to mount the camera just like it is as you see it right now. But when the engine died, that was the end of having a powered cab car camber job here. So now it's a push unit with four power units pushing it. But this is our Coke camber cab car for the HO layout. But we're going to try to shoot some video with this little camber involving on the Berkshire East sometime in the near future. So be looking forward to seeing more. But it'll be more like it was back several years ago, involving the cab ride videos that I shot with the old fashion camera.
Stop sign on East Center. Right before to the dogwood, someone just picked it up to look for the owner. You can see there's a guy, a Jaime Grande, right